Oh no, this gonna have to go. We have to figure out what we want to do with these doors. We actually tried to save some time by calling the glass repair shop $85 per replacement. Doing the math, that wasn't adding up.
So the task for the day is to figure out how we gonna save some money, pretty much. We're trying to figure out if we just gonna buy new doors, or we gonna buy plexiglass to replace the broken glasses in the door, or we just gonna cover it up and just make it a solid door.
Let's check out some prices. So these here are some solid doors. $116 to go ahead and get a typical solid door, no peephole, so that would end up being an additional cost. This is the plexiglass, which is just a big, thick sheet of plastic almost.
And it's pretty thick too.
Yeah, it's shatterproof.
10 times stronger than glass too, so
yeah.
You gotta worry about nobody slamming the door and just shattering.
So this is the other option, to just go ahead and frame in a piece of this. Cheaper option. Yeah. $14.73 for all that, and we actually have some remnants already that we're gonna try to make do of, maybe.
Yeah, so all we gotta do is buy one panel. Unless we want to go with some thicker wood, plywood. This price went up like crazy. Look at the difference if you go with thicker.
Nope, I'm good. Eventually we can just replace the doors.
Yeah.
Wood, check. Support.
So I got my measurement. Now it's time to use this T-square and mark up the board and cut it up. Handy dandy Milwaukee rear handle circular saw. This thing is the truth. You see it's battery powered. If you're trying to grab you one, it'll be down in the description below. It's the truth.
So this is the door, and this is the piece.
Then I'm gonna grab my Milwaukee finish nailer, nail this piece up, grab the paint, slap some paint on this bad baby. Now it look like a brand new door. Save this money. Hello.